Writing a PhD research proposal is one of the most challenging part in your academic journey. You are expected to clearly define a research problem, justify it with the literature, and build a solid research methodology. And you have to present everything in professional academic language. And sometimes even you are not sure about your research topic. This is where PhD application struggles, not because of idea, because of clarity, writing, and in the structure of the research proposal. In this video, I'm going to breaking down each step of a strong PhD research proposal, how you have to work to make every section a strong section, and how Jenni AI help you to write, structure, and bring clarity in your research proposal. So if you are a PhD student and working on a research proposal and want to work smarter, not harder, then this video is for you. You can access the tool from the link available in description, and you can enjoy its premium feature and can buy the tool by applying the discount code available.
Jenni AI is not just a writing tool. This is a tool which helps you in your entire research journey. You can start using it free today by using the link available in description, and if you want to enjoy the premium features, you can access it with my discount code in least price. When you click on it, start with the prompt, import from Word document, or you can do chat with AI, and even you can upload the sources and can use them for writing your document. I'm going to start with the prompt, and here you can brief the tool about the type of document you are working on and which type of a help or assistance you want to take from Jenni AI. As I'm working on development of my research proposal, and I'm taking the help of Jenni AI to refine each and every section of my research proposal and to grab the ideas and to overcome my writing blocks, along with taking the suggestions and improving the clarity and professionalism of each section of my research proposal. So this is what we are going to do with the help of Jenni AI. And here I will feed the tool about the title which I have in my mind. I am working on the writing of a PhD research proposal entitled this, refine the title and give me the brief heading and subheading for each section. So I will click on smart headings. In this option, I will be able to get a very in detail subheadings and all the details which I have to cover in each section. I will click on it, and before I start writing and developing the headings, Jenni AI give me some options to customize my query. It allows me to select the reference style which I want to keep in while writing, auto cite from external sources or from library. If you have your own library you have done with the literature gathering, then you have to uncheck this and can check only this. And if you want to use the tool external sources also while writing, what should cover in each heading and subheading, you can check on this also. After that, you can select the range of the literature you want to include in. You want to include last 10-year literature, 5-year, 2-year, or all. For example, I include last 10-year literature. Then impact factor, even you can select here the paper which you want to include in your writing should be of a high quality with the impact factor greater than 10 or impact factor greater medium or emerging. And then I will press on start writing. So here you can see a very comprehensive in detail outline for each section: introduction, background, challenges with BCS class 2 and 4 drugs, polymorphism and its impact, and this is a literature review, current strategies. These are the research objectives, overall aims, specific objectives, methodologies, synthesis of biocompatible ionic liquids, characterization, formulation, physiochemical characterization of formulations, in vitro dissolution, and then data analysis and pre-foundation formulation studies, expected outcomes and significance, timeline, budget, and decimation plan. I will not suggest you to go for writing. First, you have to go for the literature gathering, and then you have to fill all these sections by keeping in view the suggestions which Jenni AI provide you. Your research proposal consists of 5 major parts. Your title should be clear, focused, and researchable. In the introductions, you can develop the section. You have to mention why this topic is important, what already have been done, and what you are going to do in the research gap and the research question section. Your research questions should be specific, measurable, and researchable, and should align with your research gap. And here you can take the help of Jenni AI again to expand each section and research gap, make it more stronger, make it more backed with the latest literature. Along with you can develop the rationals. In the same way, aims and objective section can be more strengthened and your ideas can be converted into smart research aims and objectives which show consistency in your research questions and make your flow more objective and improve the precisions and wording also. And you can even use its writing enhancer feature which allows you to expand your writings. So in this way, I will paste all my writings here, and after that, I can expand each section just by placing the cursor where I want to add more information, and Jenni AI will suggest me what should come next along with citation and references. And I can chat with this specific section. I can use its AI edit feature to improve the fluency, to paraphrase it, to simplify it, to strengthen the argument, add a counter argument, for example. And I will click on it. And in this way, I can expand each and every section of my research proposal. So these are the suggestions, and this is what changed and why. Jenni AI will provide you that added counter argument. However, many BSS classes 4 and 5 drugs had been successfully commercialized using established formulation techniques such as a solid this, which effectively manage solubility and resolution challenge with the novel interventions. So I will click insert below, and in this way I will be able to add the counter argument into that specific section. Same way, you can use AI chat feature to make your list objectives in numbering. So in this way, you will be able to make any change in any section of your document by using its AI feature, and you can copy it, and in this way you can paste it here, and you can even take the feedback, act like a supervisor and provide me the feedback in the introduction section to make it more stronger. And in this way, I can take the suggestion from its AI chat feature to improve each section of my research proposal. Journal structural strengthener, while you start by mentioning challenges by BCS class, you could make the initial sentence more captivating to immediately draw the reader in. Paraphrase begin with the broader impact of poor drug and then logical progression. I can work on specific section feedback, challenging in oral drug delivery and problem statement, quantify the impact. I should mention some numbers there, clarity on polymorphism, which I should work on. And these are the specific areas I should work again to make my introduction more stronger. So for example, you have done with the writing, you can paste your document or upload your research proposal, and you can use its AI chat feature to take the suggestion on each section for its improvement in clarity. You can cross-check all the references just by clicking on the reference and press on view, and Jenni AI will take you to that specific section of the paper from where that specific information have been gathered. And as you can see, this highlighted part is going to show you that specific information have been gathered from this specific section. And in the same way, you can use its explain selection feature to take the explanation of any image or graph just by taking the screenshot and prompting this tool explain the image. And in this way, you will be able to understand the complex images in any document, and you can add them in your research proposal also after going through their in detail description with its explain selection feature. And this explanation is so brief and so comprehensive, even the paper does not cover it. So you can use Jenni AI to draft your research proposal, to expand each section, to take the feedback from Jenni AI professional AI chat feature, which helps you to improve each section of your research proposal and to expand. You can download it in the form of a Word file and even can copy it to clipboard. So this is the entire document on which you can work on and make it more professional. And this is the list of references with the clickable links with their DOI, and you can access them and recheck them again here.
So Jenni is a tool which is going to reduce your struggle for developing any kind of a research document that can either be your thesis, your research paper, review paper, or your research proposal. You just have to feed the tool properly and should know the capacity of each feature of the tool, which can help you to make your academic writing journey more easy, more smarter, and more professional. If you need any assistance in your research journey, you can ask in the comment section, or you can reach us out at the website. Link is given below. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.